Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix power button not working in Honor X6E. Watch the video till end and don't skip any step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.